What is edits on Instagram app? Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use the latest application edits on Instagram app. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application edits on your device. So as usual, you can open the application on your Android or iOS phone. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the application, make sure that you are logged in with your account. So from here, you can easily connect with your Instagram account. So this is the feature of this app. And now after this app is probably same as CapCut and Vian. So if you are familiar with that app, you can easily use this app. But here is the some latest features like AI and some Instagram integrated features. So from here, you can edit your reels for the Instagram based. So this app might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this app interface, you'll be able to see your options like View Insights. So it will appear at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on that option. Alright, so this is the main feature of this app. Like you can view your insight of your Instagram account. Like you can view your reels views, your reach, net followers, likes and your comments. So you can probably view it from this app. So on the another hand, you can also record the videos by using your camera phone. So you can also go with these options camera, and on the other hand you can also go with the options like project. So from here you can start a new project or create new edits that will suit for your Instagram app. So from here you'll have to just tap on this plus icon. Alright, so after you come on this interface, you'll have to select one video. Alright, simply tap on add. Okay, so this is probably same as CapCut and Vian. So here is the only one main feature is that this app is really best for the Instagram reels. So you can easily edit from here. So here you can also see the resolution or frame of this video will be suit on Instagram reels. So from here you can create it, and after you come on this interface, you will be able to see the features like as same in others, audio, text, voice, and on the another hand you have also options like captions. So from here you can generate a captions by using AI. So you can easily generate a caption or subtitle on your video. So here is the feature, and you can also go the option sound fix. So from here you can fix the sound, and from here you can also get the options like noise cancellation. So for that you will have to just tap on the mic option just at the left hand side of that video. So simply tap on it. So from here you can also reduce the noise of that video. So you can use this feature. So after you done it, you'll have to just export it. So in the export section, you'll be able to export your video in 4K or colors like SDR or SDR. So from here you can export it. And on the other hand, in this app you will also get the reel watching section. So for that you'll have to just tap on this play icon just at the bottom left corner. So from here you can also view the reels on this app. So you can also view the posted reels on Instagram. So this is the one latest feature. So this app might be helpful to you. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.